this is the AI-powered auto-blogging. It is getting the latest trends from the Google term related to information technology or related to my niche. And based on that niche, it is getting my existing blog posts and then generating the affiliate blog post based on the affiliate links and all of that. It is writing the technical blog, and then it is preparing the data, it is generating the image, and then finally publishing it to my website. So let me show you how it runs. So if I just test this workflow, first of all, it is taking the latest trend from Google. So using the Google trend, it is taking trend, and here at this stage, it is choosing the best topic related to the Google trends. So once the trend is selected, it is of course looking at existing posts on my website, syncbricks.com. So here is the sitemap which it is using. So based on the sitemap, it has taken all the existing links, which will be used for the internal links inside the blog post. Here it is generating the technical blog. So this is a technical blog writer, which is choosing existing categories, existing tags, and then generating an SEO-friendly blog post, in fact. So let me show you what it does next. All right, so here you can see that it has written the blog now. Now it is generating the image based on the image generator prompt, which is generated by this. It is now resizing the image, uploading the image, dating the image details, and then it will publish the WordPress here. So once it is published, let me show you here. So it has already been published. So complete workflow is running automatically every day based on the latest trend. And if I show you that, this is the blog post which is published. So here, if I open this now in a new, here you go. So what it has done, it has automatically added the Microsoft Copilot, internal link, Proc 3 internal link, Firebase Studio, whatever internal links were there, these internal links are added, relevant posts are added on SEO friendly. Of course, this is entire SEO friendly. If I take you to homepage, you will see the featured image, which is already available here, but you can see this is the featured image, which is generated by AI agent. You can see here what was the term which was selected here. These are URL aggregates. Let me see the trend aggregate here. You can see these are all the fields. So Ras Baraka, David Soter, Bart. So now, of course, Bart is there as a trend. Based on this Bart, it has taken the Google Bart. And I'll show you that why it has selected this particular trend here. You can see here, Bart evolution tracking Google's AI. So why it has chosen, assuming Bart refers to the Google AI, it is directly relevant to the artificial intelligence. So that's why it has selected. Of course, it should have selected Bard, but I can give the prompt here that exactly choose matching keywords. And based on that, AI agent has created the relevant blog, Gutenberg content, which it will generate, and all the AI prompt is mentioned here. So I will be sharing with you. You can, of course, use it. It is a ready to use workflow that you can just add your credentials, schedule it. So it will automatically publishing the blog relevant to the latest trend on Google, and it will definitely rank higher on Google because all the internal links are also provided. And here also you will get all the relevant links. And if you have the YouTube channel, by the way, if you have linked your YouTube channel, whatever relevant YouTube video will be there. So you will also get that. So this is all about the AI powered auto blog using the latest trends from Google, and it will select the trend, and relevant trend will be sent to the next node, which is the affiliate blog writer. You can add the affiliate links also, so it will automatically generate the blog relevant to those affiliate links. So this was one of the automations that I thought I must be sharing with you. This has saved my tons of time. Instead of doing the research on Google related to the keywords, I have provided my niche. Based on my niche, it is choosing the latest trend. And based on that trend, it is generating the blog, publishing it without even touching it. So auto blogging has become extremely simple now. And of course, if you want to add more nodes into it where you can humanize whatever has been generated by AI. So let's continue next video. We will see what other aspects of the automation can be done using n8n.